spin. Watch your head. And the feet come in that way.
Did you really? I can't get in, I know, as small as I am, I can't get in and out of those Corvettes. They're horrible.
Well, only Wetzel bought one for Nicky and one for himself back years ago.
Uh-huh.
And he made an offer.
Good idea.
He made an offer that anytime you want to drive it, just come up to the house.
Yeah.
So I took him up on it.
Yeah, there you go. I don't know which one is which. Oh, the seat, yeah. Probably. Watch.
Find out.
You there? Hope it starts. I pushed it there. Phew! That Chevelle has been a 2-year project, but I got that one in a basket. Someone else took it apart and then brought it to me.